going to take out my mask because I have social distance with you. Guys, today we are going to learn about the weather. We are going to learn about the weather. We learn about the atmosphere. Look at the atmosphere. The first layer of the atmosphere is the troposphere. And in the troposphere is where the weather happens, right? Where the weather happens. What's the weather like today? Look at the sky. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. It's sunny. Can you see clouds? Is it cloudy?
No.
No, it's not cloudy. Is it rainy?
No.
No precipitation today. Is it windy?
No.
Just a little bit, but no, it's not windy today, okay? So, what's the weather? When we talk about the weather, what's the weather? The weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular time, at a particular place. For example, here, now in San Pedro. What's the weather now in San Pedro? It's sunny, it's hot. It's not the same the weather than in Valladolid, or it's not the same the weather in Dominican Republic. So we have different weathers depending on where you are, okay? In the North Pole, we have another weather. So what's the weather? Let's say it again. It's the state of the atmosphere in a particular time at a particular place. And it's based on different factors, okay? 5 factors. We have the wind, we have the humidity, we have precipitation, we have temperature, and we have air pressure. Okay. What is the temperature? What is the temperature? It can be hot or cold or warm. It can be warm too. What is the precipitation? What is the precipitation? It's the amount of water. The amount of water that comes from the clouds. Is the amount of water that comes from the clouds. It's not cloudy today. Wind. What is the wind? The wind is the air moving. The air moving. What is humidity? Is it humid today? I think it's a little bit humid.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm a kind of sweating now. So what is the humidity? Is the water vapor in the air. The humidity is the water vapor in the air. And finally, the air pressure. The air pressure is the force of the air pressing down the atmosphere. Isn't it?
It is also called gravity.
Very good. So air pressure is the force of the air pressing down the atmosphere. Good job. Now, how can we measure the weather? How can we measure the weather? How can we measure if it is cold or hot? What do we use? Pronunciation? Thermometer. Thermometer. So here I have 2 different measurements. I have degrees Celsius and I have Fahrenheit. In different countries like the United States, they use Fahrenheit. Here we use this column, degrees Celsius. So if we check the temperature, oh my God, it's like 32. Maybe it's because it's inside the plastic. Yes, because I think it's like 25. It's kind of hot today, right? So you have to check the red column, and you count 10, 20, 30 degrees. So we use the thermometer. Can you say it again? Thermometer. This is the thermometer. We also use a weather vane. A weather vane. What can we measure with the weather vane? The
Wind.
The wind, the wind. But the wind what? The wind, we have north, south, east, and west. So what do we mean? What do we measure? The wind direction. The wind direction. So the weather vane measures the wind direction. Very good. What else do we have? What do you think this is? This is a toy. It's not a real one, okay? What do you think we can use this? If I put it here, what do you think it is for? If it is raining, it measures the amount of water, the amount of precipitation, the amount of precipitation. This is a rain gauge. Say it again. Rain gauge. Rain gauge. And it measures the amount of precipitation, the amount of water from the clouds. Then we have the anemometer. 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 It measures the wind speed. The wind speed. Okay? And finally, the barometer. I don't have a picture of the barometer, but the barometer measures the air pressure. The barometer is a machine, it's an object that measures the air pressure. Okay? So we learn about the weather and we learn about different tools to measure the weather. Thank you for your attention. I hope you like it.